Why I have job? I want to get. Hey, Gupa here. This channel is help non-native language person or want to learn Cantonese everyone. Through learning Cantonese, no have more hinder to a conversation with anyone. Make you guys achieve speaking like a local person. If you have an interest, please remember to subscribe and open the little bell. Bling, ding, 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 ding. This way you won't to miss what you want to learn in knowledge. I want to give you a New Year gift. Make you learn Cantonese to be easy. So remember to watch this video until last second. Last week is we get back to office day. You know, the Lunar New Year. Have a good rest, have a much enough food. Oh my god, this perfect life. But now I don't know how to say this situation. But I tell you the story. When I get back to office, I can't help to saying that why I have job. Oh, you know this feel, right? I want to get holiday again. Why the holiday time is passed so fast? My work partner also agreeing, but think it's not helpful. We also need to do right. So Cantonese, how to say this situation about the after holiday at the road. Don't worry, let me help you. Okay. Before 1 second, we talking about the work. Why we have a work? I don't want to work. You know, the Lunar New Year have some food, some sleep. I want to sleep, I get to sleep. I want to eat, I get to eat. But now we also get back to work. So we need to learn about the work Cantonese. So the first one is job. You know, job, the Cantonese one is 工作. And the second one, rest. The rest Cantonese, how to say that, is 放鬆. The third one is I want to holiday again, but the sentence is not word. So I will speed down to make you guys easy to learn this sentence. So the I want to holiday again, the Cantonese is 我想再放假. The number 4. Why the holiday time is passed so fast? So the Cantonese how to say that is 點解放假時間過得特別快? Okay, the number 5 is think. So the think how can speak at the Cantonese is 諗. Okay, the last one, number 6, in love. So in love, the Cantonese how to say that is 足夠 or 夠啦. So maybe you have one question is this word. What time use the 足夠 and what time to use the 夠啦? The first situation is you have a one table and the table have a too much food. Yeah, the circle is food. So and at the same time you are here and the other one to walking to you as you feel the food too much. This question to you. So this time you can use the 足夠. But the second situation is this your A friend, you are B. Your friend A told you too much, maybe A, B, C, D, blah, 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 blah. To you, you feel too much. So you can reply to your friend A, 夠啦. And this 夠啦 have a other meaning is stop it. Let's recap today Cantonese. 工作放鬆，我想再放假。點解放假時間過得特別快？諗足夠夠啦，夠啦 have a other meaning is stop it. Extra question time. So now I give you guys have a one question. The Cantonese 5 words, what word is mean the English word? So you have 5 seconds to think about this question. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The answer is 我 is I. The second one, 想 is want. And joy is a again. So the last one, 放假 this together, it means holiday. Alright, if you want to hear you feel this content can help you have an impress, please remember to subscribe and give me a like. Click the like button. This is free way to support me. And you can comment below with me discuss more. You also can follow my Instagram. There have this channel happen to share knowledge. This video start, I've told you guys have a gift for you. So now the gift is already as the below information bar. You can click the link and download. This gift is the my Cantonese ebook 5 minutes speak your first time. This for want to learn Cantonese everyone. I'm Grouper. See you next time.